Yesterday Supreme Court का वर्डिंग आया है रिगार्डिंग चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी and it was led by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and J.B. Pardiwala. Let us see quickly what is the child pornography, what Supreme Court said yesterday, what is the POCSO Act, and all about the recent judgment of the Supreme Court. Let us see first what is child pornography. Child pornography means any visual depiction or of sexually explicit conduct involving a minor. Minor means aged below 18 year of age. This depiction includes like photographs, nude photographs, private pictures of individuals, videos, digital image or fake videos, undeveloped film or computer generated pictures or videos. In the era of AI, there is a mass video editing going on, that is called fake deeps, etc. So let us see what the Supreme Court said. Supreme Court said that Section 15 of POCSO Act make it offense, that is viewing. अगर आप देख रहे हैं चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी, ये भी एक ऑफेंस है. इवन ऑनलाइन देख रहे हैं तो भी ऑफेंस है. एंड इफ़ यू आर डाउनलोडिंग इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन ऑफेंस. स्टोरिंग, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ डिफाइंड व्हाट इज स्टोरिंग. Watching for a long time is also considered as storing of child pornography. It is constructive possessions. Supreme Court has explicitly said that it is a constructive possession when you are watching for a long time or storing on a device, sharing link and not reporting to the police. That is also a crime under Section 15(1) of POCSO Act, and it is also punishable under IT Act. Then question arises, what is the Section 15 of POCSO Act? POCSO Act penalizes storage of child pornography which with the intention to share or transit. If person A is transmitting online link to option B, person B, and B opened the link and suddenly A deleted the link, still he will be found as offender of under Section 15 of POCSO Act. Supreme Court said that फेल्यूर टू रिपोर्ट, अगर आपके पास कोई लिंक आ रहा और आपने उसको रिपोर्ट नहीं किया, देन इवन इट रिसीव्ड अननोइंगली, आपको पता नहीं है, आपको गलती से आ गया है, इज ऑल्सो एन ऑफेंस अंडर 15(1) ऑफ POCSO एक्ट. सो बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल while you are receiving any unknown link or anything. Supreme Court has given some guidelines and asked the government to amend the POCSO Act. It may come through the ordinance. ऑर्डिनेंस आप जानते होंगे, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास अधिकार है आर्टिकल 123 के अंदर कि वो जब पार्लियामेंट सेशन में नहीं हो तो भी एक्ट पास कर सकता है. विदिन 6 मंथ अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अदर कोर्ट्स लाइक हाई कोर्ट्स और अदर जूनियर कोर्ट जो सबसे नीचे के कोर्ट है उसके लिए गाइडलाइंस जारी किया है कि दे शुड नॉट यूज child pornography in their verdict. Rather, they should use child sexual exploitative and abuse material, CSEAM. मीन्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है नीचे के कोर्टों को कि जब भी जजमेंट पास करें तो उसमें चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी नाम का शब्द यूज ना करें, उसके जगह पे चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेटिव एंड एब्यूजिंग मटेरियल का यूज करें, CSEAM. Let us see what is the offense under 15(1) to 3. It is up to 3 to 5 years of jail if you are watching a child pornography or you are sharing a picture or video or any types of edited photographs or videos, sharing link of child pornography. What the NCRB data says about this? Since the pornography has in rise, we have seen many newses across the country that 3 year, 4 year, 5 year girls has been raped and videographed and then later killed also. These are the things which is happening at the rapid rate in India. So Supreme Court's verdict is much more important in the contemporary India. Let us see NCRB data what it says. It was 812 incidents in 2018 and victims were 821 victims. Victims मतलब girls below 18 year of age. 2019 1114 incidents took place and 1117 victims were reported. 2020 584 incident and 592 victims. 2021 536 and victims were 540. 2022 696 victims were 703. These are the recorded data in the police stations, and you can imagine how many people report to the police station about their child pornography. If child is abused, sexually abused, these are the reported case only. Unreported cases might be much more higher than the reported one. So, with the aim, say no to child sexual exploitative and abusive material. Thank you.